Hello and welcome to another application video from Ambrell, an Ameritherm company. In today's induction heating application video, we're soldering a brass insert to a steel body to create a fuel pump for the automotive industry. The induction power is now on. As you can see, the assembly is already solder pasted. This heating process will take approximately 30 seconds. We're using an Ambrell Easy Heat 2.4 kilowatt induction heating system for this application. Alright, we're now about ready to turn the induction power off as the soldering process is concluding. This has been another application video from Ambrell, an Ameritherm company.